Hey people, today we are talking of online advertising network and ad networks that you can use to scale your business online. So it has always been the big four. When I mean the big four, I mean the Google, when I mean the big four, I mean Google, Amazon, I mean Facebook and X right now. These are the biggest ad networks out there. And you will agree with me because these ad networks basically have massive potentials for businesses to grow online. But the fact is, there are so many other ad networks today that offers even more opportunities, especially for startups to be able to grow their businesses easier, cheaper, and faster, reaching their target audience, just like these platforms. Again, these platforms are sometimes very sophisticated to use, especially for starters. You need to have incredible amount of experience for you to be able to use these platforms. So you need to either learn or hire someone to help you out before you can be able to get significant result. I mean, making sure your money you spend on these ads, pays. So we have kind of analyzed so many startups that cannot even, make anything good out of the money they spend on these ads, and working with multiple, I would say hundreds of startups. Many of these ad networks are not just favorable for them because they don't have the budget, they don't have the skill to be able to grow their businesses online, which is why today we have ad networks like AdStarget. And I'm not just saying this because I'm the founder of AdStarget, but basically it is one of the platforms that is helping multiple, I would say, as a great result from small businesses, using ad network as like ours to grow their businesses. We have all the ad formats that you need. Sometimes even we give you more opportunities to target your audience using multiple ad formats and using your favorite pricing models. We have all the pricing models that you need to be able to scale your business online. So we have a global publishers audience that are willing to help you reach your target audience everywhere you are or building your business on this planet. So why can't you just try it? In fact, what we have done recently is that we have dropped the minimum pay that you have to pay to start your campaign to just $10. So with $10, you can be able to start your campaign. Try it out and see how that goes for you. And if that works for you, great. And some of the benefits that you can get. You can always be able to analyze your data. I mean, look at how many people are coming to your website through our ad network. We don't have, but we are tough on, fraud clicks. Okay, so we don't tolerate that. So you'll be able to see the people who are coming through your your website, and then be able to retarget them using the same platform to scale. We give you all the tools and all the opportunities you need to scale your business online. So take the advantage we provide today to be able to reach your target audience. It's all about the target audience. That's why we name it Ads Targets. Ads should be targeted. It's always about the targeting that makes the best result or gives the best result. So head over to adstargets.com and see if you can be able to use our platform to scale your business. We have every tool you need to scale your business. Check AdStargets today to see how you can build your business or grow your business online. Peace out.